就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. My name is Joseph Lin, and her name is Xu Shihui, also known as Ah Mei. She comes from Miaoli, but moved to Hualien to pursue her dream of studying music. Her whole family is very musically driven, but she misses all her friends for about 30 years and came out with this song, Nyatiao Du Homo, which means how is everyone doing? Let's take a listen to it right now.
畫意多裁縫，希望你條大愛盡每個海面嘅風喊係安強，調為快樂創造，可以做愛嘅舞盤。安樂年你心懷路嘅花，夢裡愛嘅光中。Long time no see. 流水年华，theo那麼悠變走吧。流水年華，theo ba嘅相片和兩邊找到。
来自苗栗的许世慧，你也可以叫她做阿妹哦。那为了要发展音乐的梦想，来到了花莲定居。那自己有2个女儿，所以呢，希望透过她的歌声感动自己的下一代，说母语、唱母语。但离开朋友这么久，30多年了，就写了这首《你们都好吗》来献给他们。
天空嘅色它係安詳，畫意個裁縫，希望你條大愛盡每個。海面嘅風喊係安強，調為快樂創造，可以做愛嘅舞盤。安樂夜你心懷路嘅花，夢裡愛嘅光中張力。安樂夜你心愛嘅朋友。Long time no see.
So if you miss your family, your home, or friends, this is the perfect song. Nyatiao Du Homo.
你们都好吗？
很好 ，See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.